Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to rotate photos on Samsung. First thing you do is open up your photos and then go down to the photo you want to rotate. Let's say I want to rotate this particular one. Then there are two ways I can do it. From here I can tap on this second icon here, over here, it will rotate it. Tap on it again, it will rotate it again. But this one is only limited to two ways. But if I actually want to rotate it very well, next thing I'll do is at the bottom here I tap on this pencil icon here, it is for edit, and then the next thing I do, I tap on this icon here. So once you tap on it, to rotate the photo for you to like this, and then it can also rotate again and again and again. So that is how to rotate photo on Samsung. Then you can save it or revert it. This is to revert it, which means to undo all changes, and this is to save. It is as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.